Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, I went to Dollar Tree. Let me show you what I got. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So like I said, I went to Dollar Tree and I had a great time shopping for some things that I might want to use in some Christmas project videos. Now, the first thing that caught my eye was the beautiful wrapping paper selection. And each one of my rolls was $1. Each roll has between 30 and 40 square feet. So what that means to me is, out of a roll like this with the 30 square feet, I know that I can cover 25 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock, and I can make my own double-sided paper. So that's one of the reasons why I like buying the Dollar Tree wrapping paper. It's very beautiful, but once you attach some cardstock to it, then you have made something very strong economically. So you can go to the store and buy a $5 pack of cardstock, use that cardstock to lay down on one of these rolls, and basically you're covering all of those pieces using wrapping paper. So you've made your own double-sided paper. Doesn't get any better than that. I'm going to show you real quick some of the patterns. Now this one actually happens to be my favorite. I have already started using it on a project, but I love the different colored deer heads on this. Absolutely gorgeous. This paper also has the grid marks on the back, so that makes cutting out very easy. Then I have also started using the red and black buffalo plaid. Again, we have the grid marks, which will make cutting out very easy. And we all know how much we love buffalo plaid. Red and black, white and black. It's just a classy look. And I haven't opened this one yet. You guys can see our favorite red truck is on here. We have wildlife and we have greenery. We have Christmas trees. So I am definitely going to be backing this to some cardstock, and you guys will see me using this on projects. And it's not Christmas if you don't have your candy cane stripe. So this is going to be very beautiful on a project. They had so many more other patterns. I think I bought 6 in all, but I doubled up on a couple of these because I wanted to make sure that I had plenty. And the 2 that I doubled up on are the deer head and the buffalo plaid. So then you guys know from last year and maybe the year before that I absolutely love my fuzzy socks. Dollar Tree has the fuzzy socks out now, and guess what they had? They have the buffalo plaid in red and black, and these are so comfy. So y'all know I'm going to be doing some projects using these socks. Then they also had them in the blue and white, and I bought some gray. So $1 for these socks. And I will tell you this, I wear these socks all the time. I bought some last year. They hold up, wash after wash, absolutely no problem. And then I bought some candles. These are about 2.5 by almost 3 inches tall. And I am going to be doing some projects showing how we can use our candles as gifts. And this is a great way to give an inexpensive gift to someone. But you guys know that when we're finished with it, it is not going to look inexpensive. And this is a vanilla scent, and the scent on this is very strong. So I like burning the Dollar Tree candles, and I like gifting them. And then I picked up some of the mini fairy lights. You get 10 on this strand, and they take 2 AA batteries. So I bought some batteries from the Dollar Tree as well to put in these to help keep my costs down. I have a super fun project that I am thinking about using these on, and I hope it works out because I really do want to share it with you guys. And then the last thing that I picked up some of these tiny desk lamps. You guys remember the big boy that I picked up for $1 at the Dollar Tree? Well, they have the battery-powered babies to these, and this actually lets off a pretty good amount of light. I'm going to turn it on. And it's pretty light in my studio right now, so even if I turned off the lights, it's really bright out. So you're not going to be able to see how much light you actually get from these. But this is great if you happen to be reading in bed, or if you're trying to read a recipe in the kitchen. This really gives you an opportunity to focus that light where you might need for it to be. But I thought that these were just so cute, so I picked up quite a few because I'm going to use mine as stocking stuffers. But of course, I'm not going to just give them like this. I will be doing a craft to dress this up just a little bit. And so I have left the wrapping paper off to the side, but here is my Dollar Tree haul in case some of you are wondering what are some of the things that I'm going to be working with for Christmas. Here are some of the things that I have bought that I'll be incorporating into some of my crafting in case you have a Dollar Tree close to you or you have access to these at another store. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick peek at my Dollar Tree haul. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join because we're going to be doing some amazing things with these. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.